As of today, there is no single recorded case of a pit bull attacking a child. The Boer Bull is one of the most fatal dog breeds in the world, originally bred to guard slaves and criminals. For the most part, these are aggressive and strong fighters who, with proper training, unquestioningly follow all the orders of the owner. Interestingly enough, Boer Bulls know psychology well and are able to read the emotions of the owner. One needs to show a hint of dissatisfaction and the dog will rush to solve the issue. It is important to note that this breed is unconditionally one of the leaders in our selection because the ability to attack large predators and naturally overcome them is one of their key traits. The Argentine Dogo is a white muscular guard dog. Representatives of this breed are distinguished by endurance and courage, but at the same time, they are famous for their hidden aggression.